Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are following up with our blue K5 Blazer. We're gonna get some suspension and we're gonna fix some crusty cancer. Y'all follow along. Check it out.
Click that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like more content, follow social media at CodyCrafted on Instagram.
Good morning. It is morning. It's like 7:15, 7:30. What is today? Wednesday after July 4th. Wednesday. Yesterday was a pretty Monday, Tuesday. Garrett and I are getting rolling. Clint's in here getting started. We're kind of getting wound down on the Bronco. Our K5 Blazer is here. K5 Blazer. This video's done pretty well for us, so if you haven't checked out the first episode, jump in and scope that out. And it's actually one of our top 5 videos right now. It could probably use a little more traction, but if you liked that video, you're gonna love this one because that was just fixing shit. And today we are fixing shit, but we're also gonna start on some modifications. All right, customer brought it back to us and brought us this piece of sheet metal right here, this fancy dancy thing. This not so fancy dancy thing is the one that was living right there. I was out running errands yesterday and Garrett got started on this deal while I was picking up parts. While we're at it, what you got over there, G? More off. Ooh, with the sunlight. Hang on. Yeah, more 2.0 Resi shocks. These are one of my favorites, if you guys can't tell by all the numbers of them I put on. They just work really well. They ride really good. So we got some cancer in this guy right here around this fuel filler. We thought this was going to be one quickie little spot. It is a little bit more. There's also a little bit of schmutz under the taillight, and then some definite schmutz under the taillight on this side, and then you got some in the front. Oh yeah, there's a hole there. What do you know? That's air conditioning. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So there's also a set of Skyjacker 4-inch super plush rides, whatever they are, super springs. I don't know. Part number CK14S, which is 4-inch lift. This thing is already at a 6-inch lift, but it's rough country, which means it's rough riding piece of junk. So we're gonna get that swapped out. We're gonna get rid of the rough country El Cheapo Grande. And we're gonna drop this thing down. The customer cannot fit it in his garage, and he does not want anything like this just sitting outside all the time. Also, it rides like shit. All right, well, we got work to do. We got mufflers to try. We got things, we got deals. We gotta go. What is all this? More friggin' body mounts? Oh my god, we did more friggin' body mounts. This is like the 4th set of body mounts I've done around here.
So a little walkthrough for you guys on these deals. I put one up there in that corner. For those that don't know, These are when you're putting two body panels together. So you stick them through the two separate body panels, and you throw your locking pin in underneath. And then when you suck them up, it'll pull them up so they're even on the same plane, rather than sitting and trying to fight them to get them level. I'll suck it up, kind of like tile work, kind of like that, but for body panels. So they work out pretty slick. See, I got that guy up there sucking the joint up so it's level. I would throw them across here, but where I'm throwing my seam inside one of these ribs here, there's no way that I can get a good grip on it to make it level. So we're using this rear support that it sits on, holds it right where it needs to be here. We got one up in there, and all of these corners here sit right up in this channel. This channel's bent. I don't know how well you can see that, but it sits up in that channel too. And this side, that side gets bolts through it. It's got a little mountain bracket, so it'll hold it where it needs to be. That's what we got. So I'm going to weld up that seam, and then we'll be done with that piece.
That's promising. Holy K5. Look at here. Dang old fabric cobbler. That was pretty good. So we're doing K5 stuff, and Garrett's over here making stuff for Bronco that looks somewhat familiar. I don't know what that might be. Anyways, if you haven't seen our Bronco stuff, jump on the channel, go check that out. Right now we're doing suspension things. Where are we at?
A little low on this side.
A little low on
about
this side?
About a half inch difference.
That's all right. Half inch is fine. How many inches?
43 1/4, 43 and 7/8.
Okay, so about 43.5 in the rear right now, and in the front,
44
1/4 to the bottom of the molding. All right, so we're pretty level as it sits, but the thing is, this is a 6-inch kit and it rides like dog turds, so it's out of here. Doesn't do us any good if it don't ride right. This is why we don't buy Rough Country, aka Great Value lift kits. We just don't do that here. There are a couple little pieces that they make that I'm willing to use, but for the most part, not my jam. This is a 6-inch kit, won't fit in the garage, and won't fit at his shop, at his property either, because the doors are too low, and this thing doesn't need to just sit outside and bake forever. So we're going to a 4-inch Skyjacker kit, and we're going to see which one of this setup rides better. The plush ride with the Foxes or the Rough Country box kit. I wonder. Oh, hey, Garret, what you got there, man?
Oh, I got some good old Fox with resis.
Damn old Foxy Resi boys?
Yeah, and a too big of a bolt. That's what I got.
Hell yeah, bro. Here, what's this thing down here? What's this down here? What do we got? Got them double steering stabilizers. Want a Clint? What we got here? All right, so our 4-inch leafs are on. We got new shackles, new frame side bushings. We got our steering stabilizer hung. I went to Sam's and stocked up on drinks and chips and all that crap for the guys while they got the leafs finished up. We got our U-bolts torqued with our custom socket that you guys might not have seen yet. If you haven't seen that, go check out the Uber Deep. Is the Uber Deep. Minimum $100 order. Your regular old socket. Chop that bitch off in the saw and put it on this piece of roll cage tubing. Available now. Limited time only. All that fun jazz. Woo! All right, so Resi gonna go on the front or the back? We know?
Really the only one spot to really go with it. You don't interfere the frame right there.
Seems simple enough. That's gonna...
Yeah, we'll have to mock it up.
I think we'll have to clock it a little.
We'll have to mock it up and then see how she wants to
Maybe
lay.
flip it over and clock it.
I just...
Oh, with the... Oh, look
right
there, yeah.
You're right up against the frame there, so you can't rotate it.
It's kind of dark in here, but yeah. Okay, well,
So we'll have to play with it.
we'll have to play with it. That's what she said.